What's up guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Undeniable Duffel Small from Under Armour. This duffel is made of polyester that's abrasion resistant, it's nice and durable, plus it's the UA storm gear, so it has a DWR finish to repel water, and it's still breathable too. You do have lots of different straps here, so this crossbody strap is removable, it is adjustable as well, and it's got two carrying handles that actually snap together to stay together. Now the front has two zippered pockets. Oh, just kidding. There's one big zippered pocket. That little pleat kind of threw me for a loop there, but you've got lots of room in that front zippered pocket. There is the signature logo showing off. You've got some side zipper pocket action going on over here too. And then the opposite side gives you a mesh pocket, so that way you can see what you're carrying. Perfect for drinks too. It does have a double zip closure at the top, so when you open it up, it is very spacious on the inside, so perfect for traveling as well, and it's got some back wall mesh pockets. Undeniably cute! That's what this bag is. Make sure you grab it today. It's from Under Armour.